Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Sarah. So in the last session what we have seen is how to save the or write the TCP dump output to a specific file we can use, and then how to read the TCP dump output from the specific file. And our today's topic is how to uninstall the TCP dump. Yeah. So in order to do this, we have to run this particular command: sudo apt-get remove tcpdump -y. So let me show you that. So I will repeat this command and it will remove the tcpdump from the system. Yeah, so it is finished, and you can see here the following packages will be removed. That is a tcp dump, right? So but we have to verify how whether it has been removed from the system or not. So how can we check that? So we can use which command, which tcp dump. So you cannot see any folder like with the name tcp dump in the system. So it means that it has been removed from our system successfully. So thanks for watching this video and hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech with Sarah and share it with your friends. So once again, thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, and have a nice day ahead.